Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Bird Den Adventures. We are Dennis and Kristen, and of course, our faithful pup, Ed. Today we leave a beautiful spot we found in southern Utah near Kanab. Surrounded by epic views of mountains and canyons, we are sorry to leave this beautiful place. It's always a little sad when leaving such a wonderful place, but those feelings are quickly replaced with the thrill of what's down the road and what will we find next. And I truly believe this is why we choose this life, for the thrill of the adventure that awaits us next. The canyon walls, illuminated by the sunlight, showcase a beautiful gradient of colors, from warm browns to vibrant reds, creating a captivating contrast against the blue sky. Good afternoon.
Hello.
We're getting a late start today. We really enjoyed that spot, but we're just gonna go up the road a little bit further and see what else we can find. Go from there. It certainly didn't take us long to find another mind-blowing Utah gem to call home for a couple days. Utah's mountain ranges are composed of layered red rocks, characteristic of the region's sedimentary formations, with varying hues of red, orange, and brown. These pictures and videos truly do not represent the beauty of this region. It really is astonishing. As we ventured further into this majestic canyon, we found ourselves near the old township of Paria. Visiting the cemetery, it really gets us thinking how tough it had to be to survive in such a rugged and harsh area. We sometimes think of ourselves as explorers of the past, then soon realize we wouldn't be here without the comforts of the present, like fridge, stove, and GPS. Luckily for us, we could drive our house on wheels to most places we desire, like under the only tree for miles. Unfortunately, we didn't know when we were here. There are ruins of the township nearby that apparently burned down not too long ago. I did a little interweb search on the township of Paria, and this is what I came up with. Paria was originally settled in 1865 by Mormon pioneers. However, the town's location made it susceptible to frequent flooding from the nearby Paria River, which eventually forced many settlers to abandon the area. Despite this, the town experienced periods of growth, especially during the late 19th century, when it served as a hub for mining operations and cattle ranching. Apparently we got a happy dog. Eddie hanging out in the creek. Super warm. us for breakfast, woman?
We are having tacos with sausage and eggs and pico and avocado. And Ed is hungry.
Well, Kristen, what do you think? Was it worth quitting our jobs and going on this road trip?
I'd say so.
Me too, baby. Life is good, people.
Cheers.
Our days here consisted of exploring up and down the river, admiring the sensational scenery and erosion from the river. We did find some ruins, but I believe they are from old movie sets Hollywood built here in the 60s. Some of the notable movies made in the Paria region include Sergeants 3 in 1962, this Rat Pack Western starring Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin, and Sammy Davis Jr., The Outlaw Josie Wales in 76, obviously Clint Eastwood, and Mackenzie's Gold in 69, starring Gregory Peck and Omar Sharif. In the 1990s, efforts were made to preserve and restore the old movie set in Paria, which had become a tourist attraction in its own right. Unfortunately, the set was destroyed by a fire in 2006, making the end of an era for this slice of cinematic history. Today, Paria remains a place of quiet solitude where the echoes of its past can still be felt amid the stunning, untouched wilderness that surrounds it. Visitors to this area can explore the ruins of the town and immerse themselves in the same landscapes that have been immortalized on film. If there weren't some green plants in this area, I swear we would be on Mars. The landscape here is nothing I have ever experienced before. Check out the difference of color between, this side of the valley and that side of the valley. Wild. We will end our tour of the Paria area here. And if you are still watching, we hope you have enjoyed our video. Please consider subscribing and follow us on the many adventures to come. Good morning.
Morning.
Today we're going to get out of this beautiful desert scene and head into Page, Arizona, dip back to Arizona and get some chores done and then go find another epic spot. Let's do it. Ready, Ed?
Ready, Eddie?
cents a gallon cheaper, it looks like. You gonna fit all our laundry into the $10 machine, babe?
Yeah. And I did. I fit it. But now I need another dollar to get more money.
So while our laundry is drying, we haven't had breakfast, but we're gonna have barbecue because it
We
smells.
parked next door to Big John's Texas Barbecue. And there's big barbecues outside.
And it smells so good.
So we're doing it.
We're having barbecue for breakfast. Look at these smokers.